He believes that this new term will come with its challenges, creating more jobs, passing new ethics reform, is fixing our crowded roads. There is no magic pot of money.
Just because it hurts.
At the state level that we need.
Pringle Chamber President Ben Askew says John created a road improvement goes
When and volume, not just the deterioration. Prospective companies that maybe there's an issue here.
bad roads lead to disappearing jobs.
We shouldn't locate in a particular condition.